Ryan and I actually grew up about 300 meters from each other. I may have had a slight little crush on Ryan. 12-year-old Sam never would have thought she'd be standing here.
We were stuck out in the pouring rain.
Sam, you have brought out the best in our son. We love you and the 3 beautiful kids you have brought into this family. And then came little Jackson.
I've never seen him happier than he has been with Sam. I've never seen him look better, more mature.
Sam laughs and smiles so much these days, I believe she's truly happy. I can tell she feels loved by you, and for this I'm grateful.
Baby, if you want it, you got it. And if you need me, I'll be there. And I'll take no
You guys are
time.
wonderful together, and Kathy's right. Sam smiles a whole lot more than she used to, and Ryan cries a whole lot more than he used to. So I'm not sure what that means.
They say the 7th is a shaky ass year, and it makes you wanna cry.
Ryan, thank you for being the man Sam deserves and the guy I always hoped she'd end up with. Minus how emotional you are to the point it's almost concerning.
People said that I was blind, but we were wrong. Go take a look at us now, still going strong.
It is my honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Go on, Ryan. Kiss your bride.
You got it. And if you need me, I'll be there. And I'll take no time. We'll hold the line through the darkest days and the sleepless nights. And it won't change my mind, 'cause you know how I feel.
For the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Ryan and Sam McVicker.
Time of my life. You're the time of my life, baby. You're the time of my life.
You've taken on my kids, and you've been the best dad to Jackson. I can't wait to watch you be the best husband. And I love you so much.
I love you.